right, GBMC, this is the video to find our 4 mini winners for my Favre Chrome for the mini. This is, let's see here, check the time, February 20th at 5:36 p.m. I'm going to go over to the mini and type live. And we have... what's going on here? Okay, there's live. Something got smashed up here. There we go. February 20th at 5:36 p.m. 5:36 p.m. There's the list of our 30 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 4 after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 5 times. There we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Looking for the top 4. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jason, Chris, Dustin, and Chuck. So, Jason, you will have first pick of, let's see how many we did for the first spot. Jason, you get 7. Chris, you'll get 5. Dustin, you will get 2. And then, Chuck, you will get the last spot left. So, there is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, February 20th, 5:37 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.